Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming basics, battery above 20% and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link. Next, force stop the YouTube app and clear only the cache to remove temporary corruption. Do not clear app data yet because that erases preferences. Once done, reboot your device to flush background processes and apply transient changes. While it restarts, check for pending OS updates. Installing them first often fixes compatibility issues and avoids wasted steps. So make sure the system. Now tackle the deeper app side. Open your App Store and update YouTube. If a recent update introduced the crash, uninstall updates to revert to the factory version and test. If clearing cache wasn't enough, clear app data. This resets the app state, so be ready to sign in again. After that, inspect app permissions like storage, microphone, and network. Toggle any that look wrong to force a permission refresh. These steps resolve corrupted settings and permission mismatches that commonly cause the stoppage. Finish with network and isolation checks. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular or try a different Wi-Fi because DNS or router issues can break streaming. Test YouTube after each change. If the app still crashes, uninstall YouTube completely, reinstall the latest version from the store, and sign in again. If problems persist, boot the device into safe mode to see whether a third-party app conflicts with YouTube. If it runs in safe mode, remove recently installed apps until the conflict disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.